another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday. Today, we're making a variation on a Moscow Mule. So, we got Jake, I'm Robbie. We're gonna make you this mule. It's called a Basil Sweet Tea Mule. Great in the summertime, great if you live in the South or anywhere, but since it's sweet tea, it just makes me think of the South.
Readily available down here.
So, for this drink, you're gonna need the following ingredients. You're going to need our Basil Carolina Rum. This is a fabulous basil infused rum, the only basil infused rum. It is phenomenal. It's our first export. Definitely check this out. We're also going to need sweet tea. We're gonna need limes.
Fresh limes.
Here's how you hold a lime. And you're gonna need ginger beer. For this drink, we're gonna use Fever Tree ginger beer. We a lot of times use our local ginger beer, which is from Unknown Brewing. It's a ginger ale. But you know, use whatever ginger beer that you typically use.
Whatever you prefer.
And we're doing this in mason jars. You can also do this in pint glasses. So the first step is to fill your pint glass with ice. The second step is to add the basil rum. So we're gonna add 2 ounces of basil rum to each of these. 1 for you, 2 for you.
Two for me.
And 2 for Tom Cruise. Bam. All right, we've got our basil rum in the drink. Jake, what's next?
Why don't you go ahead and squeeze half a lime into each mason jar there.
Oh, this is a little bigger. All right, limes come in all shapes, forms, and sizes, so put this into taste. Usually, half a lime is a good starting point, but you can always go
A little less and maybe squeeze more later, or just add more later.
Smells amazing. Fresh limes really make the drink. We do recommend fresh limes. You can also use lime juice.
Yeah.
Next up, what's next?
I'm gonna add 2 ounces of sweet tea to each drink.
Some fresh brewed sweet tea for that. Got the sweet tea in the drink. So now we're gonna top this cocktail off with ginger beer. Looking good, smelling good. Summer in a glass. I'm gonna give that a gentle stir to incorporate all the ingredients. And then, just to make it fancy, Jake's gonna garnish that with a lime. There you go.
Got the limes too thin. You don't want to stir.
Yeah,
All right.
that's it. That's our Basil Sweet Tea Mule. It's a phenomenal drink, especially in the summertime. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more content. We have lots of drinks using sweet tea, ginger beer. Our basil rum is really a good asset to go check out different variations of cocktails. The description recipe will be in the description below. You can find links to our social media down there as well. And check us out in your local liquor store. Come out here, take a tour, and that's it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, bud.